Hello friends, I am Shankar Majumdar. Here is our new YouTube channel Get Set Know. Here we will share some information with you which are collected by curiosity. Curiosity is the best school, I believe. Today we will share our thought about Ravangla.
Ravangla is a small tourist town situated at an elevation of 800 feet in South Sikkim. South Sikkim is a district of Indian state of Sikkim. It is connected by state highway to the major town in the state lies between Peling and Gangtok. It is act as the starting point of the trek to Menam Wildlife Sanctuary. It is approximately 65 km away from the state capital Gangtok and 120 km away from Siliguri, West Bengal. Ravangla and the Buddha Park are the two sides of a same coin. When you will come here, you obviously coming for Buddha Park. The park is merely 2 km away from the town. Before entering the park, you will come across the prayer wheels. By touching the wheel, you will come to the main gate, take ticket and enter to the park. Entering to the park, you will see the big Lord Buddha statue to the right. To the left, there are some gift shops. The whole park is decorated by beautiful flower and fountain at the center. The park hosts the light and sound show in evening. The drum beats are heard from the entire town. You can also see the enlightened Buddha statue from your hotel balcony. In winter, the entire park is covered by the snow and the beauty is rarely enjoyed by the tourists. Next day, you may go for the Ralang Monastery. The monastery is Kagu seat of the Tibetan Buddhism in South Sikkim. The monastery is 6 km away from the heart of the town. The old monastery underwent reconstruction in 1975 to 1981. And in 1995, the new monastery known as Palchen Cheuling Monastic Institute by the 12th Galstok Rinpoche, which is retained its Tibetan architecture. The older Ralang Gumfa or Karma Raptaling Monastery is located close west of the new monastery. The Ralang Monastery has an extensive collection of painting and thankas. After Ralang Monastery, you may come to Kejring. Kejring is a Lepcha village. Here you can see lots of unknown birds, beautiful flowers and the Lepcha culture and the lifestyle. There are some homestays. The gorgeous hamlet is tucked amidst the serenity of fir hill covered with thick chestnut forest away from the hubbub of the city life. Visiting this nature paradise, one can get rejuvenated and revived beholding the magnificent view of mountain underneath the painted sky. If you are a trekking kidda, you can trek to Menam Wildlife Sanctuary. It will take nearly 4 hours. You will also get many taxi services that ply between Namchi and Menam Wildlife Sanctuary. The best time to visit this sanctuary is between March and June. You will get some opportunity to see many rare birds and mammals during spring-summer season. In addition, within the premises, there are 2 added attractions. You can visit such as Menam Gumfa and a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. The tour will be incomplete if you not visit the Temi Tea Garden. The garden is producing tea leaves from 1969. From 2005, the Institute of Marketology from Switzerland supervises the production in organic way. So the tea has a worldwide demand for its brand Temi Tea. The natural view of the tea garden is also mind-blowing. Walking on the road towards the field indeed gives you a delightful experience. The lush green serenity and the fragrances of various types of tea leaves will certainly win your heart. Best time to plan your trip to this year-round popular hill station is April to June. The hill station attracts substantial tourists during September to November as well. In autumn, the hill's own spectacular best. A calm view of snow-capped Himalaya ranges is possible and its town is blooming in rare flowers. Hope you will enjoy the Rabangla virtual tour. If yes, then please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. If you have any queries regarding my video or Rabangla, then please leave a comment and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you for staying with us. See you guys in our next video. Till then, bye.